Allow us to introduce Butterfly Traveler and its 3 easy steps to break the boundaries of the internet. Step 1. Easily powered by any outlet. Butterfly Travel Wi-Fi is only the size of a USB flash drive. It can be powered by plugging into any USB port, such as a USB power outlet, smartphone charger, power bank, or laptop. Step 2. Connecting to the Butterfly Wi-Fi network. Connect your devices to the Wi-Fi that's named BTFly and use the default password 12345678. Step 3. Binding Butterfly Wi-Fi to your local network. Once connected, the browser setting page will pop up automatically. If not, type 192.168.154.1 in the address bar to access the setting page. Then, in the Internet Setup drop-down menu, select a local hotspot that you know the password to join, like your home Wi-Fi or any public network. Enter the password of the hotspot and click Connect. Only once the product LED light changes from blinking light to stable light, you're successfully connected. Now, you can enjoy Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Youku, and Tencent Video, etc. on your devices without boundaries. Advanced Setting. Select different mode. When you're in 192.168.154, this setting page, click the Advanced Setting and type in the general password admin123 to log in. There are 3 different network modes that you can choose from under the Advanced Settings. In Intelligent mode, the system chooses the best connection based on the condition of the website and your network. In Full mode, all traffic will transmit through the network you designated. You can choose the IP address in the country that you want, such as United States, Japan, China, etc. Also, if your LED light is stable, but you cannot visit a specific website, choosing this mode allows you to try different countries and find the one that opens the website. In Tour mode, you can hide your IP address while visiting all websites. Advanced Setting. Change the password. When you're in the Advanced Setting dashboard, go to the System and select the Admin. You'll see a password change dialog. Follow the instruction. Then you're all set. If you have more questions, please visit www.butterflyvpn.us.